Power is a privilege that can be revoked. When the grid fails, your pantry must be a fortress of self-contained calories.
Phase 1, the wet vault. We use the Presto 23-quart pressure canner. It is the only way to safely preserve low-acid proteins.
Cube your raw beef or chicken. Pack tight into jars. Leave 1 inch of headspace. No water added. The meat creates its own sterile broth. Butter. Melt it slowly in a pot. Pour into jars. Water bath for 40 minutes. Shake every 5 minutes as it cools to keep it creamy.
Milk. Pour fresh milk into jars. Pressure can at 10 pounds for 10 minutes. It will slightly caramelize. Shelf stable for years.
Vegetables, beans, carrots, corn require the pressure protocol. 11 pounds of pressure for 90 minutes. Lock in the micronutrients today.
Fruits and tomatoes are high acid. Use the water bath. Boiling water for 45 minutes creates the hermetic seal.
Phase 2, the dry phase. We use the Excalibur 9-tray dehydrator. Removing moisture is the only way to stop time.
Or Perfect Jerky, use lean cuts like top round or sirloin, sliced against the grain to 1/8 inch.
In a bowl, mix soy sauce, Worcestershire, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper.
Marinate for 12 hours.
Dry at 160 degrees until it bends but doesn't snap. Pure protein.
Now, let's make some mashed potatoes. Start by slicing the potatoes into even pieces, then add them to a pot of vigorously boiling water until they are tender.
Spread your mash thin on silicone sheets. Dry at 135 degrees until it snaps like glass. This is potato bark.
Pulse your dried potato bark into a fine powder. This is your high-calorie base. Just add boiling water to resurrect it.
Phase 3, the vacuum line. We use the food saver with the jar attachment to lock our dehydrated goods in zero-air glass.
Place your jerky into vacuum bags. Seal them tight with the food saver. This stops oxidation and keeps your protein viable.
Put your potato powder in a mason jar. Use the food saver jar attachment to pull the vacuum. Lock the calories in.
Phase 4, the strategic shield. For 25-year storage, we use Wallaby 7mm Mylar bags, light blocking, oxygen-proof.
Bulk assets. Buy commercial powdered eggs and white flour in bulk. Pack them into Mylar. This is your decade-level foundation.
Drop a 300cc oxygen absorber into every bag. It pulls O2 to zero, killing pests and stopping decay before it starts.
Seal the Mylar with a heat sealer. 1 inch of heat creates a permanent barrier that no moisture can penetrate.
White rice. In Mylar with an absorber, it lasts 25 years. It is the fuel for your survival operations.
Pinto and black beans. High protein, high fiber. Secure them in Mylar. They are the bedrock of the iron pantry.
Seasonings lose potency in air. Vacuum seal salt, pepper, and spices in small glass jars to keep morale high. Let processed jars sit undisturbed for 24 hours. Moving them too early ruins the vacuum formation. Patience is a tactic.
Never store with the metal rings on. They hide seal failures. If the lid stays shut without the ring, it's safe. Lift the jar by the lid alone. If it holds, the seal is tactical. This is your insurance policy against hunger.
Use a tactical marker. Contents. Date. Batch number. In the dark, your labels are your only map.
Cool, dark, dry. Light is a scavenger that destroys nutrition. Keep your vault hidden from the sun.
Glass and meat are heavy. Reinforce your shelving. A collapse in the bunker is a logistical disaster.
First in, first out. Rotate your stock every 12 months. Eat what you store what you eat.
Honey lasts forever. It provides energy and morale. Secure it in glass jars. Never let your pantry be bitter. Coffee beans in Mylar will stay fresh for years. A morning requirement for the unit. Don't face the end without it. Keep Go jars ready. High-calorie mixes. Vacuum sealed. Grab and move when the perimeter is compromised. You are the logistics officer of your home. If you fail, the system won't catch you. Prepare today.
Stay safe, stay capable, stay ready. Period.